Ilang pang bagong opisyal ang itinalaga ni Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. sa Department of Finance. Dahil lamang nitong suportahan si Finance Secretary Ralph Recto upang matiyak ang pangmatagalan at mapatatag ang pananalapi at maangat ang ating ekonomiya. Kabilang sa itinalagang Undersecretary of the Corporate Affairs and Strategic Infrastructure Group, si Rolando Tungpalan. Tungkulin niyang aksyonan ang ilalatag na negosyo ng mga dayuhan sa Pilipinas. Kasama rin sa na-appoint ng Pangulo si Joven Balbosa na itinalagang Undersecretary for the International Finance Group, Gerald Alan Quebral bilang Assistant Secretary for the Revenue Operations Group, Sharon Almanza na itinalagang National Treasurer, Donalyn Minimo bilang Director for International Finance Group, Sherry May Gonzalez bilang Director 4 of the Information Management Service. Itinalaga rin nilang Undersecretary for IMS si Dorotan Chuseco, Undersecretary for the Privatization and Partnership Group Catherine Fong, Undersecretary for Legal Services and Local Finance Group Bayani Agbin, at Undersecretary for Special Concerns Maria Edita Tan.